When 2020 first started, what goals did you have for the year? Maybe it was getting in great shape, to travel or spend more time with your family, or to generate more money this year. As of today, you have 16 days to hit or start working on those goals. That's not said to stress you out, but rather to motivate you, because tomorrow's success starts today. Tomorrow is never guaranteed. The time is now to take control of your life and your goals so that tomorrow or 2020 looks better than today. Over the last week or so, I've shared a new way that I've discovered to generate passive income in the free time that you have. This is something I started earlier this year, and I am so glad that I did. The results are amazing. It's a way that helps you take advantage of the volatility of cryptocurrency to generate passive income. And is something that you can start preparing today to set yourself up for a powerful 2020. I'd consider this approach to crypto something called bowling with bumpers, because even if you're a complete beginner or a veteran, my mentor Dan has made this, in my opinion, so easy that if you're not experienced, you'll still be able to hit a few pins and see some success. So set yourself up for a big 2020. Watch the training recording with Dan Hollings and learn about the plan before it closes today at midnight Pacific time. Just click the link and change your future